Hello, bonjour everybody, this is Monsieur RETHO and today we're going to talk about adjectival agreement. So that means basically if a noun is masculine then your adjective must be masculine too, or if your noun is feminine your adjective must be so feminine. So the first thing you need to know is remember that in French the colors come after the noun, so all the adjectives come after the noun, most of them actually. And remember that song we did in year 3. In French the colors come after the noun, after the noun. So now it's gonna come handy here. So basically to make an adjective feminine you just need to add an I. That's the main rule. For example, gris, G-R-I-S, becomes grise. So you would say un pantalon gris, gray trousers, but une souris grise, because a souris is feminine. And then if you want to make it plural, you add an S. So for example, une souris grise, G-R-I-S-E, and if it's several mice which are gray, you would say des souris grises, G-R-I-S-E-S. Of course, there are lots of exceptions. Sometimes you will double the last letter and then you add your E to make it feminine. For example, violet becomes violette, T-T-E at the end, and you've got blanc, which becomes blanche, C-H-E at the end. And then you've got the rebel colors, as they call them. You've got marron, which is brown, which never changes because it comes from the fruit. Marron means conker basically, or chestnut. And then you've got orange as well because it comes obviously from the orange. So that is it really. The main rule is put your adjectives after your nouns, most of them, apart from sizes like petit, grand, basically you put them before. But if it's an adjective that you have to put in general, it's after the noun. And then to make it more complicated, here is a sentence. A small brown dog would be in French un petit chien marron, because petit size you put it before, and then marron is a normal adjectives, you put it after the noun. Voila, I hope it's making sense, and we'll talk a bit more about it later, maybe more in depth if you want me to talk about the irregular ones, apart from violet, violette, blanc, blanche, and marron and orange. Voila, I hope it makes more sense, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.